As Russia is desperately trying to catch up with Ukraine's surveillance, their ZALA UAV is often transported with a van to operate it from, making it a perfect target as you take out the drone, the operating station, the van and the crew all with one strike. Ukraine's drone tried to follow these if spotted to send back coordinates for a quick attack. As this van was setting up the drone for deployment, a GMLRS strike was close behind, hitting perfectly, taking out multiple objectives with one strike, lowering Russia's surveillance capability while letting Ukraine's drone to go after new targets to make sure Russia have less for each day. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.